Union Minister of Culture and Tourism, Prahlad Singh Patel, will be arriving in Imphal tomorrow in a 2-day visit to Manipur. He will open the 3rd Siroi Festival at Ukhrul tomorrow. According to sources, the Union Minister will be arriving at Imphal Airport around 10:30 tomorrow morning, where he will be received by state BJP workers. A woman cadre of the band Pre-Pak has been arrested by security forces during operation at Kongba Bazaar in Imphal East, a police report said. China Loop Palel, in association with Palel Bazaar, Mayra Paibi volunteers and tribal women volunteers, conducted a social service camp at Palen Bazaar today. The participants cleaned up the market and roads in the area. The 12-hour Manipur total shutdown call given by different militant outfits, including Korkom, a conglomerate of valley-based militant outfits, the shutdown evoked total response, reports said. The total shutdown is in condemnation of the Manipur Merger Agreement, which was signed between Maharaja Bodhchandra of Manipur and Government of India in 1949. The Manipur shutdown, called by different underground groups to observe Black Day, also affected normal life in Jiribam district today. One cadre belonging to militant group, Jiliangrong United Front, was killed and another 2 were injured during a reported factional gunfight in the wee hours today, a report said today. The incident happened at the intersection of Subung Laisok and Taulingpung village under Khopum police station in None district. Centenary commemoration of the Anglo-Kuki War was observed at the office of Hill Tribal Council, Moray today. The glittering function was attended by village chiefs, CSO leaders, church leaders, MDCs and residents of Moray town. A memorial stone of Anglo-Kuki War was unveiled by Reverend Ngamhau Tautang, chairman of Moray Pastor Fellowship, on the occasion. Free coaching classes for Class 10 students conducted by Social Development Organization Moirang Kuno at Loyalam Public School, Moirang Kuno Sabal Lekay, came to an end today. A case has been filed against the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party's MLA Gaurav Pordung for allegedly raping a woman, media reported. The Bameng constituency MLA Gaurav Pordung has reportedly raped a married woman at an Itanagar hotel on October 12. Northeast Indian leaders from across the political aisle paid homage to former President APJ Abdul Kalam on his birth anniversary today. Arunachal Chief Minister, paying his homage to the departed leader on Twitter, Khandu stated that Kalam was an embodiment of compassion, wisdom and strength, and won an aspiration to the entire nation, media reported. Tripura police raided the CPIM party state headquarters at Melarmat in search of former minister and present MLA Badal Chaudhry, who has been absconding. The police also searched for several party offices across the state, a media report said. Margaret Atwood and Bernardine Evaristo jointly won the 2019 Booker Prize by declaring a tie. British Indian novelist Salman Rushdie's tragic comic, Puchot, was among the 6 books shortlisted for the prize. Shrikant Naurem of Manipur won a gold medal at the recently concluded 3rd Taiwan Cup International Kung Fu Championship 2019, held from October 6 to 12 at New Taipei City, Banjiok Gymnasium, Taiwan. Shrikant won the gold in junior boys Chinese kickboxing. On the other hand, team coach Jugeshwar Khatrimayum also won a gold medal in Dao Shu, while Nitin Singha of Punjab and Eileen Richa John of Jharkhand clinched 1 bronze each in the championship, which was organized by Taiwan Kung Fu Federation under the aegis of International Kung Fu Federation, Beijing, China. Ukraine qualified to the Euro 2020 finals by defeating rival team Portugal in 2-1. Home win over Portugal, whose talismanic captain Cristiano Ronaldo scored his 700th career goal in the Group B qualifier on Monday.